In web development, applications are divided into two main components, the front end and the back end. Front-end technologies are responsible for everything a user directly interacts with, like layout and functionality. The front end is what users see and interact with, including layout, buttons, and overall user interface. HTML is used to structure content on a web page, defining elements like headings and images. CSS styles the content structured by HTML, controlling colors and layout. JavaScript adds interactivity to web pages, enabling animations and dynamic updates. Front-end frameworks like React and Angular help create interactive and responsive user interfaces. Front-end technologies manage user interaction and ensure a responsive design across devices. The back end handles server, database, and application logic operating behind the scenes. The server processes requests, while databases store essential application data. Popular back-end languages include JavaScript with Node.js, Python with Django, and Ruby with Rails. Relational databases like MySQL and NoSQL databases like MongoDB are commonly used in the back end. Back-end technologies manage data storage and ensure secure access to information. Front-end and back-end technologies work seamlessly together to create a functional web experience.